students, I Neelaman here. Today I am going to teach you here chapter number 12, that is money. Chapter number 12, money, and my topic today is how to prepare bill and to calculate the balance okay. So I have taken here questions of your book, my observation, maths, and question is here first. And in my earlier videos I have taught you about bills. What are bills? So I will teach you today how to prepare a bill and how to get balance, how to find balance. In this question here, first of all I would like to tell you about bill. Bill is a statement or list of particulars with their price is called a bill. A statement or a list of particulars with their price. Here these items, these are particulars, okay, these are particulars. Number of items are given, how many items, and cost per item is given, and total cost okay. Question is here, Mrs. Khurana has rupees 7,000 for shopping, and sometime when your parents go for shopping they keep money with them. Yes, you know, they keep money with them, then they go for shopping. Mrs. Khurana has rupees 7,000 for shopping. Calculate the cost, the total cost of each type of item and the total amount she has spent on the shopping. Now Mrs. Khurana, she has went for shopping with money. How much she is having money in her purse? That is rupees 7,000. So let's see what she has bought. She has bought how many items? Sure, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items were purchased by her. So first item, that is shirts. Shirts, how many shirts? 2. She has purchased 2 shirts. So cost per item. So per shirt cost is rupees 450. Per shirt cost is rupees 450. So she has purchased 2. She has purchased 2. So total cost of 2 shirts will be 2 multiplied by rupees 450. When you will calculate, you will get the cost of 2 shirts will be rupees 900. It will be rupees 900. Then jeans items. Now next item is jeans. Number of items she has purchased 2. 2 jeans were purchased by Mrs. Khurana and per jean price is rupees 900. Per jean price is rupees 900. So cost of 2 jeans will be here 2 into rupees 900, rupees 1800. So cost of 2 jeans 1800. Then she has purchased sari. Third item, sari. Number of item, how many saris she has purchased? One. Only one. So, cost of sari, one sari is rupees 1200. Cost of one sari is rupees 1200. So, once total cost of here will be 1 into rupees 1200. So, cost of one sari, it is rupees 1200. Now, pair of shoes. Pair of shoes she has purchased how many? 2. Number of items she has purchased, that the item is pair of shoes. She has purchased 2. So, cost per item here, cost of per pair of shoes is rupees 450. 450. So, she has purchased 2 pairs. Here, number of items, how many? 2. So, total cost will be 2 into rupees 450. You will calculate. It will be how much? Here, if 2 items of 2 here pairs of shoes is purchased by her, then total cost will be rupees 900. Will be rupees 900. Then she has purchased blazer. Number of items 2. 2 blazers. Then cost per item is rupees 650. It is rupees 650. Okay. So, total cost will be 2 into rupees here 650. It will be when you will calculate yourself here. Please take a notebook with you for rough work, for calculation when you are going to prepare here bill. Then total cost of here 2 blazers will be 2 into rupees 650. It is rupees how much? 1300. 1300. Okay. So, total amount when you will get total cost here of all the items, you will add rupees 900, rupees 1800, rupees 1200, rupees 900, rupees 1300. Please write the digits according to their place value. Okay. Please write the digits here according to the place value. Don't write here and there. Ones below ones, tens below tens, 100 below 100 and 1000 below 1000. Okay. Then the calculation will be very easy for you when you write the digits according to their place values. Okay. Now, total when you will add, it will be rupees 6100. So, total amount spent by Mrs. Khurana, that is rupees how much? 6100. She has spent how much money? Rupees 6100. So, balance means remaining money. How much will be balance after the shopping? So, she has spent total money. How much? She has spent total money? Rupees 6100. Then balance will be here. She was having how much money? Rupees 7000. You will subtract the total cost, the total money spent from the total money she was having before shopping. So, rupees 7000 minus rupees, here this total cost rupees 6100. You will subtract and After calculation, you will find, subtracting, you will find it is rupees 900. So balance will be rupees 900. In this way, you will learn how to prepare a bill and how to get the balance. How to get the balance. Okay. So here you will try here question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5 of here my observation maths book. Okay. Here the price of some items is given to you and you will prepare a bill here for the given number of items. Okay. Question number 2, question number 3, 4, 5. Very simple. And your homework will be question number 2, 3. Homework. Chapter number 12 of your book. My observations. Question number 2 to 5. Very simple. Just calculation is here and multiplication, addition, and try to solve some of the questions based on bills. Okay, and finding balance and according to the problem. And please stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, sanitize your hands, keep proper distance from each other, and be protected from COVID-19. Thank you and have a nice day, and be regular in your studies. Thank you.